was only about 17 when this first happened to me. I went to bed as normal, fell asleep, enjoying a good sleep, when probably in the middle of the night I was wakened by the feeling that someone was in the room. I couldn't explain who it was, I didn't know who it was, and then felt being totally paralysed, the fact that I could not move at all. It was as if the power that was there, the energy, was able to control my body. I thought I was going to die. I thought that they were going to kill me. When the paralysis eventually went away, I felt as if the presence had withdrawn into the corner in the room, that there was some creaking. Not literally moving, but it was creaking as if there was something there.
I'll go into a paralysis, and I can't move, I can't shout out, I can't, I'm unable to call for help, and I'm unable to stop any kind of attack. Usually it's an attack. You can't move, you can't scream. It feels like you've been drugged somehow. The fear is extremely real. You look around the room, you're looking for any way out. I can see my clock, I can see the curtains, I see every room that tells me that this is real, this is happening to me, this is really happening. And I'm wondering why my husband can't hear them, why he can't hear the struggle, why he can't hear the fight. And beyond that, I'm wondering what's going to happen to me after they kill me, who's next. I don't really repeat a lot of it, and I try to forget it, and I'm having a very hard time describing how intense it is. The fear is intense. I've woken up with cuts on my hands from my fingernails, clenching my fists. I cracked teeth during my sleep just from the intensity of everything, clenching my jaws. You just don't see any out to it. What happens is when you get to the point where you're so tired, you're just so tired, and you're so tired of fighting. And every night, you know, when you go to bed, it's going to be another fight, a struggle. You become afraid to fall asleep.